Every time you sneeze, your body briefly shuts down your breathing, builds intense pressure in your chest, and launches air at nearly 100 miles per hour. But sneezing is not just a reaction. It is a biological emergency response designed to protect you. So why does your body force you to sneeze? And what exactly happens inside you in that split second? Sneezing is a protective reflex controlled by your nervous system. In biology, this reflex is known as the sternatory reflex. Its primary function is to defend your respiratory system from harmful invaders, such as dust, bacteria, viruses, and chemical irritants. Inside your nasal cavity are millions of sensory nerve endings connected to the trigeminal nerve. When an irritant enters your nose, these nerves immediately send a signal to your brainstem. The signal reaches a region called the medulla oblongata, which controls automatic survival functions like breathing and reflexes. Once this signal is processed, the decision to sneeze is no longer under conscious control. Your brain instantly activates a coordinated response involving your diaphragm, lungs, chest muscles, throat, and facial muscles. This entire sequence happens in milliseconds. First, your body forces a deep inhale. Your airway temporarily closes. Pressure rapidly builds inside your chest. This is your body storing energy for a powerful release. Then the sneeze occurs. Air is expelled at extremely high speed, carrying thousands of microscopic droplets with it. These droplets can contain dust, pathogens, or other irritants that your body is trying to remove. From a biological perspective, sneezing is highly effective because it is violent and immediate. It physically ejects threats from your respiratory system before they can travel deeper into your lungs. A single sneeze activates more than 200 muscles at the same time. Your eyes automatically close due to a neural connection between facial nerves and nasal reflexes. Despite popular myths, your eyes cannot pop out during a sneeze. The pressure is directed outward through your nose and mouth, not toward your eyes. Some people also sneeze when exposed to bright light. This is known as the photic sneeze reflex and affects roughly 20 to 30% of the population. It occurs because the optic nerve, which responds to light, interferes with the trigeminal nerve, triggering the sneeze reflex. This is a genetic neurological crossover, not a flaw. Holding in a sneeze can be dangerous. When the natural exit pathway is blocked, pressure may redirect into the ears, sinuses, or throat. In rare cases, this has caused tissue damage or ruptured eardrums. Biologically, sneezing is designed to release pressure safely and efficiently. Stopping it works against how the system evolved to function. Sneezing may feel inconvenient, but it is actually a sign that your nervous and immune systems are working correctly. In less than a second, your body detects a threat, processes the danger, and removes it, all without conscious effort. So the next time you sneeze, remember this was not random. It was biology protecting you in real time. Your body running a survival mechanism refined by millions of years of evolution. If you enjoy science explained in a way that makes sense, consider subscribing. Your body has many more secrets worth exploring.